Welcome. Are you ready to practice your HACCP knowledge? HACCP Quiz. Part 1. Let's go. Question 1. What does HACCP stand for? A. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. B. Hazardous and Contaminant Control Program. C. Health and Cleanliness Control Process. D. Hygiene and Critical Contaminant Plan. The correct answer is A. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. Question 2. Which of the following is not one of the 7 HACCP principles? A. Conduct a hazard analysis. B. Establish a cleaning schedule. C. Establish critical control points, CCPs. D. Establish corrective actions. The correct answer is B. Establish a cleaning schedule. Question 3. What is a critical control point, CCP? A. A step where control is essential to prevent or reduce a food safety hazard. B. A point where food is inspected for quality. C. The final temperature check before serving food. D. A step where food waste is disposed of properly. The correct answer is A. A step where control is essential to prevent or reduce a food safety hazard. Question 4. Which of the following is an example of a biological hazard in food? A. Metal fragments in food. B. Pesticide residues. C. Bacteria such as Salmonella. D. Mustard in salad. The correct answer is C. Bacteria such as Salmonella. Question 5. What is the primary purpose of HACCP? A. To ensure food tastes good. B. To identify and control food safety hazards. C. To reduce the number of kitchen staff. D. To improve business profits. The correct answer is B. To identify and control food safety hazards. Question 6. What is the correct definition of a hazard in HACCP? A. Any situation that can cause food to taste bad. B. A biological, chemical, or physical agent that may cause harm. C. An unavoidable risk in food production. D. Any ingredient that changes the food's appearance. The correct answer is B. A biological, chemical, or physical agent that may cause harm. Please like and follow us for more HACCP quizzes. See you next time.